Everybody's got jaws.
Yeah, we got the ones that are mad. 12 inches. We measured ours on the stick.
I'm gonna come on board with you. Woo!
It'll be close, Andrew.
It is going to be close, isn't it? I ain't kidding you. It's going to be close. I think I caught 4 out of 5.
Is the winner?
You got some
I caught one
feisty fish,
fish.
Bob.
Hey, is the
Oh, I
winner?
got 2 in there.
Is the winner pounds or?
Whoa! That looks
We're
good.
going to fish tomorrow, worry about 8. You got to get out of bed.
You can measure this if you want because it measures 12.5 inches.
No.
Yeah, that was kind of deep.
We're
It was
good.
12 and a half. I was like, woo.
That's what we had. We had line burners.
You
Whoa!
had a couple line burners
Oh,
in there.
they just.
Whoa!
So who caught the big
If we
one?
bump that up to 13 inches,
How
you're in
many-
trouble.
Oh,
well,
we wouldn't have.
Yeah, I know.
How
but how
many-
these guys?
That's
Oh, they
true.
didn't have
Bob,
that.
how many
Five.
fish did you guys have? Many.
No,
Five.
How many did they have?
5.
5 and 5. Here we go. Here we go. Who's the winner?
0 pounds. 0 pounds.
We won!
What was it?
It goes to 0 once it hits 100.
Eric.
Whoa, 14.
12 pounds.
8. No.
13.
Oh.
About 12, 8. 12, 11.
Down.
Winners!
Big fish
Oh,
goes for about a pound.
yahoo!
I don't know.
That was tight.
I just get my
Andrew.
foot
Tight.
back in. Oh,
The
Man, they
winners,
lost by about
Bob
a
and
pound.
Andrew.
Never
the winners.
defeated.
I do, Mom.